What are the core challenges were discussed today via AgriConclave and were conveyed to the policymakers, to the government stakeholders, you think?
Thank you. May I start with my session or?
Sure.
Okay. From my panel, I thought the main thing that we can convey to our policymakers is the financial inclusion or financial literacy or
Right.
access to finance for
Right.
women and youth in our Bangladesh, because you know that these two sector is very much, I don't say vulnerable, but the more challenging sector, the women sector and youth sector. And in Bangladesh, these two types of people, they are now very much excited to be entrepreneur. But if they want to be entrepreneur, they need access to finance. They need a good knowledge of entrepreneurship from A to Z. So from this conclave, I think we can give a very good view, a transparent view to our policymakers and to our government how to design the pathway for the women and youth who are now dreaming to be entrepreneurs.
Right. Thank you so much. Interesting insight. That brings me to my next question, which is as you come from one of the pioneers in your landscape and being a woman, what is your advice to the fellow female entrepreneurs, female agribusiness ventures to thrive in this industry or to take a part in such initiatives that can bring them at the forefront of policymakers and in relevant stakeholders?
From my point of view as an entrepreneur, if a woman want to be agro entrepreneur or agro value chain entrepreneur, first of all, she should be more strong enough to take challenges and be strong for this position, because this journey is not very smooth. She has to tackle so many challenges, like from the financial thing, from the social impact, from family matters, everything. The women, they are very much, I don't say they are suppressed or they are behind. They are not parallelly with the men. Their journey is not the parallel. So they have that mindset. They should be entrepreneur. And if she wants to be entrepreneur, she should know the journey of entrepreneurship. Like she has to know the financial things, she has to know the skills things, she should know the her territories, activities and everything she should know.